Together with climate change and biodiversity loss, environmental pollution is one of the big environmental problems on a global scale, on a planetary scale. And it's really bad because it's about 9 million people dying because of environmental pollution every year. So we have to do something about it. People from all over the world came, they exchanged, and they brought their ideas, they brought their methods and their concepts. And we put that together. So I think just establishing this network is a proof that it works and is a big success.
By combining people's expertise together, we can synergistically grow and work together.
I hope we can develop low-cost and sustainable solutions for a better future of planet.
At some point, everybody will get in a position that we need to do something. We need to get started, you know.
We all rely on water. That's the most important good for our living. And we need to know how healthy, how safe this water is. And we don't need to know that only in Europe, but we need to know that all over the world. So we brought together samples from all over the world to analyze major contaminants which are occurring in water all over the world.
There are so many chemicals out there. We call it the cocktail of chemicals. Only the list of the US EPA on toxic chemicals, it has more than 85,000 substances. So I think this is one of the main challenges we have worldwide. And workshops like this one will be able to raise data on places where there is actually lack of data to help provide and subside the decision makers.
I think this is a really good opportunity to see the things which we haven't been able to see in those parts of the world.
Hopefully this pilot study will give us a lot of data and then we can continue.
This has been a great start and I look forward to seeing what we can all achieve together.
The problems in the environment are multifaceted and complicated. So we must come together to have this done. Thank you so much, Prof, and the organizing team. You people are wonderful. And thank you, Faith. We do it again.
When we come together, pulling up resources, pulling up expertise, focusing towards a certain goal of monitoring contaminants, we can really achieve a lot.
What we are doing now here, it's a kickoff. It's the start of something big. It's not the end, but it's the start of a bigger network which is now growing and establishing all over the world and which we push forward, and I hope we can do that.